Welcome to another $1 Million Monday. Today we're wearing our green again in honor of
St. Patty's Day. We are featuring our $1.2 million home here on the Chesapeake Bay, right outside your front door. This beautiful home features 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, built in 2004, and the living space is 5,477 square feet of relaxation and luxury. The home has been updated. I'm sure you'll be happy. You actually have 2 houses for the price of 1. Yolanda, tell us about the other house.
Yes, 2 houses for the price of 1. The other house, a cottage home, has a 4-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. This house and the one that we're in right now is just perfect for you. Make it your own. Reach out to us. How can they get in touch with us?
Well, my number is 301-717-3441. Tanavia Greer. I'd be happy to help you buy it.
And I'm Yolanda Muckle, 301-455-9081. We've been to D.C., we've been to Maryland. Now we're way up in
Middle River. Because we are Realtors on the Loose. See you soon.